Hi guys! So today's video is about itlog. How do I like my eggs be cooked? Yes, I like it scrambled but not the plain scrambled. Gusto ko yung may cheese, lots of cheese sana. I don't add salt na kasi the cheese itself is maalat na, no? So we call this cheese omelette. Then, add lang ng pepper. Kapag ganito yung pepper grinder mo, dagdag ka talaga ng dami ng paminta kasi nakaka-enjoy siyang gamitin. Ang dami-dami talaga naming nakikita kung ano-ano sa Shopee. And isa na yun yung pepper grinder. So, ayan. After nun, ipiplif na kapag luto na yung ilalim. So, it's basically just egg, cheese, and pepper. Ito, nagdagdag din pala ako ng parsley. Although, parang hindi ko laman lasa ng parsley. Parang hindi ko siya nalalasahan. Parang pang kulay lang siya, no? And ek-ek, kemerot. Ayun, nabasag, nasira ang aking omelette. Sayang, hindi perfect ang itsura ng omelette. Anyway, napaka-convenient ng timer sa induction cooker, no? So, set ko lang siya dyan ng 1 minute habang nag-iinit ako ng black rice sa microwave. Do you also guys like black rice? Because lately we've been enjoying it. Lalo kapag ginawang champorado. Super. But that's next video na lang. In the meantime, plain black rice muna tayo with cheese omelette. And yeah, tapos na ang timer. It's time to make hango na and plate the cheese omelette sa black rice. By the way, this is supposed to be brunch. Pero lunch na because I've been doom scrolling and nakalimutan ko lumipas na yung oras. So, it's lunch time na. And it's a Sunday. Hindi pa kami nakapag-grocery kaya walang fiber. So, yun na lang munang fiber content ng black rice. Yung source of fiber natin for today. And ang protein, ang 2 eggs. Ang mainit ng kanin and water, of course. I like this cheese omelette. Ayan, may pagka-creamy. So good. So at this point, while having breakfast or lunch, mapapareflect ka na lang about the good things in life. I don't know. It's a slow day and I have plenty of time to reflect. And ang sarap ng cheese omelette. And I don't have other schedules for today. So yeah, life is good. I don't know. How about you guys? Core memory ko din siguro kasi yung itlog. It brings me a lot of memories. Takes me back to time na itlog nga lang yung ulam. But this time, no, level up. May keso na. Ow!